Understanding just now in English. Hello everyone, welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, just now, and understand how to use it correctly in different contexts. This is a phrase that native English speakers use quite frequently, so it's a great one to add to your vocabulary. Just now refers to a moment that has recently passed. It is used to describe an action or situation that occurred in the very recent past, sometimes just a few seconds or minutes ago. For example, if someone asks you what you were doing before they called, and you were reading a book, you might respond, "I was reading a book just now." Example 1. Situation. Your friend enters the room and sees you laughing. Dialogue. Friend, what's so funny? You, I watched a hilarious video just now. Example 2. Situation. You missed a call because you were in the shower. Dialogue. You call back and say, "I'm sorry I missed your call. I was in the shower just now." Example 3. Situation. Someone is looking for your colleague at work. Dialogue. You respond, "He was here just now. He must have stepped out." In all these examples, just now is used to refer to something that happened a very short while ago. It's important not to confuse just now with right now. While just now refers to the recent past, right now refers to the current moment. For example, "I am making a video right now" means you are doing it at this very moment. "I made a video just now" means you finished it a short while ago. In some English-speaking regions, particularly in South Africa, just now can also mean in the near future. For example, if someone says, "I will do it just now," they might mean they will do it shortly, not that they have done it recently. It's important to pay attention to the context to understand the meaning. And that wraps up our video for today. We've covered the phrase, just now, looked at different examples, and compared it with right now. We hope this has been helpful in understanding how to use just now in your everyday English conversations. Don't forget to practice, and see you in the next video.